Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be creating a beautiful floral illustration using my simple step-by-step drawing process in Procreate. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses brushes from my birth month flower brush set. Whether you're completely new to digital art or just want an easy and fun way to create stunning florals, this illustration is for you. You'll find a link to the brushes I'm using in the description below, along with a free gift, a set of 30 Procreate brushes and colour palettes to help you get started. Now let's get drawing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add a new layer, and then go into the Birth Month Flowers brush set and select January Carnation. And then selecting a dark green, I'm going to stamp that flower on the screen and just relocate it to the centre of the canvas. Next, I'm going to go into my layers and duplicate that layer. Select that bottom layer and fill it with white. And then adding a new layer above that layer, I'm going to select it and set it as a clipping mask. And then going into my basic brush set, I'm going to select my watercolour brush. Selecting the same dark green colour, I'm going to add dark green to the stems and leaves on this flower. And then I'm going to select a lighter version of that green and just add some highlights along the stem and upper edges of the leaves. And then selecting my smudge brush, I'm going to go into the basic brush set and select the wet smudge brush. This is the brush I use to smudge all my colours and gives a lovely watercolour effect. Now just work along the stem and the leaf and blend those colours together. And now moving on to the flower, I'm going to select a light grey colour to add some shading to the petals. And then selecting a light yellow colour to work over those shaded areas and add some touches of yellow. And then using that same wet smudge brush, just blend those colours together, working in strokes in the same direction as the petals. And then we're just going to amend the outline colour. So hold 2 fingers on that top outline layer to select it. And then selecting white, let's just colour over all of those detailed outline edges. And then doing the same for the leaves and the stem. Just select a light green and again work over the edges. You don't have to cover them all up. Sometimes it's nice just to highlight the top edges and some of the leaf details just to give it a nice realistic look. And then you can lower the opacity of that level to find the look that you really like. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed creating this watercolour style floral illustration with me. If you'd like to use the same brushes featured in this tutorial, you'll find the links in the description below. Don't forget you can also add 30 free Procreate brushes and colour palettes to your collection via the link that's down below as well. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.